The tropical storm Fiona coming to Puerto Rico, then close to those states close to Puerto Rico, and it's coming to New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey. If you live in New Jersey or in states close to New Jersey, watch out because that's the USA border, the countries of USA. Watch out. Be careful and take a break. Don't go too fast and buy stuff because you will lose all your money. I'm only telling you, please subscribe, like, comment down, share the notification for more videos. Thank you. Hurricane Fiona is coming back. Please, Hurricane Fiona is coming.